We are going to learn how to make a burrito bowl today. So burrito is a Mexican dish consisting of flour tortillas which wrap various ingredients. But today we are going to make a deconstructed burrito where we are going to arrange all the ingredients in a bowl. Now, burrito consists of four main parts. First is base. So we can use any grain. We are going to use millets today. And then there is a filling made up of lentils or legumes. So we are going to use rajma beans. Then there is a sauce. So we can use cashew mayo, tomato salsa. And then there are lots of vegetables. So as you see, burrito is complete full meal, and that's why it's the best idea to pack it as your child's lunch. Let's make a filling for our burrito bowl. I have rajma and I'm not going to use any oil to make this filling. So we need any beans. I'm going to use red rajma, cumin powder, coriander powder, onions, salt, pepper, oregano and garlic. And then we can also sprinkle some coriander leaves on the top. So I'm going to heat the pan. In the heated pan, I'm going to add onions and chopped garlic. Now, as we are not using oil, we have to continuously stir, keep stirring onion and garlic. If you feel that it is sticking to the bottom, we can always add few drops of water. Let onion and garlic be translucent, transparent. So onion and garlic was about to stick, so I have just added little water. Okay. You can add salt as per your taste in these beans. And now let us make vegetables. Let us saute some veggies. I'm going to reuse the pan in which we made the beans. So let's take some onion, chopped onion. Lightly saute the onion. Again, if it is sticking, we can add little water. It's okay, it's already sauteed, so we can. Once the onion is half cooked, we are going to add thinly chopped yellow bell peppers. And thinly chopped red bell peppers. Just saute it for another minute or two, and when they are half done, we are going to switch off the flame because we want these veggies to be crunchy. It really gives nice texture and taste to our burrito bowl. And in the end, I am going to add salt as per taste. And if you want, you can also sprinkle some pepper powder. Now our veggies are ready. Now we are going to assemble the burrito bowl. So we have beans ready. We have a capsicum, sauteed capsicum. I have also chopped some lettuce and just added salt and lemon. And as a part of the base, I have millets. Kodo millets I have soaked and pressure cooked. You can also use any other unpolished rice that is available at home. And we have some sweet potato unfried. So there is no oil used again, and I have baked them in air fryer. And as a topping, we are also going to drizzle some sour cream. So this sour cream is cashew cheese with salt and lemon juice. Let's take millets first. Now I am going to add beans, spiced beans. This takes care of our protein portion in the balanced meal. Okay, now I'm going to add some sorted veggies, and then I'm going to add lettuce, chopped lettuce with salt and lemon. It adds the nice crunch. And now let's add our sweet potato and fries. This is what kids really like because they are tasty and crispy as well. So now our burrito bowl is assembled. We have tomato salsa and sour cream. If you are packing it as a lunch box, then you have to pack sour cream and salsa separately in small containers and you can pack this burrito bowl. But when you want to enjoy it, when you want to have it, you can just drizzle some sour cream. So sour cream is cashew cheese with salt and lemon. You can also add pepper and tomato salsa. So you can mix it and enjoy the burrito bowl. You can also add some salt and pepper as per the taste if needed. So the burrito bowl is ready and I'm sure kids are going to enjoy. Now we can make different variations in this burrito bowl. So instead of millets, you can use unpolished rice. Instead of rajma, you can even use chole, chickpeas, cowpeas. You can be creative. Instead of capsicum, you can use any other favorite veggie that your child likes. Instead of sweet potato unfried, you can always make potato unfried. So this is how you can make different versions of burrito bowl.